guys, it's Victoria here, and we're selling this small slime and this necklace for $3. So normally our small slime is $5, but since we're gonna have this necklace with it, it will come down to $3. So you can buy this glittery slime and this necklace that comes for free, only for $3. So DM us in the Instagram private chat if you want to buy it. And guys, just letting you know, we are not giving our slimes to any random people that we do not know, because we're not posting slimes to anyone, or we are not going to meet up with random people just to give them slime. So if you're someone random, sorry, but you have to go to another website because we're not going to give you slime. But if we know you, good luck with this challenge if you want it.